Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And I am out here at one of my listings, which is actually my personal property. So this is going live this weekend. So when I bought this house, it's in Montclair South, 6234 Ashcrest Drive. And for those who know me, everybody always is like, what are you doing? That house is so gross. Why would you buy it? I want to take you inside and let you see what I did to this house over the last 4 years. So the first 2 years I lived in it, and then for the last year and a half, it's been an Airbnb, and now it's time for it to have new owners. This is what the house looked like before we did any work to it in the backyard. The big tree came down, you'll see, and replaced that nasty patio with a brand new concrete stamped patio, put in a fire pit, and the whole yard got regraded. Pretty amazing. Take a look at this yard. So this is probably one of the biggest yards in Montclair South. We're super close to the light rail station on Archdale. And this is the fire pit that I installed. And this backyard is one of the reasons why I was like, I love it. Lots of places for the dogs and the kids, whatever you want. Before showing you the finished product, this is what the kitchen looked like before we started. Okay, so when I bought this house, there was a wall here, and obviously this kitchen wasn't here. So we took down 2 walls. So I designed this kitchen around this whole entire stove because I saw it and I wanted it. So that is the kitchen. And then the laundry's over there. And here is my beautiful bubble light in the dining area. So this house is super great. It has 2 seating areas. These are original hardwood, and that fireplace, I used it. So when I first moved in, I had somebody come and take a look at it. I always will tell my clients, if you buy a house with a fireplace, don't light a fire in it until you have it inspected. I would have it inspected again, but I used to use it. There was no problems. And then this roof. Oh, there's all new windows in this house. Every single one of these windows you see is new. They were installed in 2021. This bathroom, one of my favorites, because we have the soaking tub. We took out, and it's still a shower. We took out a closet to make that bigger. Down to the other 2 bedrooms. This one's not staged, but it's still, this is a pretty big room. Again, new windows. Every piece of wire was taken out of this house, so it's all new electric. New windows, new paint, because we repainted again. The tile. Bathroom number 2. And that is great. I love this bathroom. If you're in the market and you are looking for a house like this, come see me, call me, or bring your agent, because I am paying a buyer's commission. So 3% to your buyer's agent. Basically, come on in Saturday or Sunday. I'll be here 1 to 3. And come check it out. Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And I hope everybody has a great day. Thanks. Bye.